question of proper lab wastage disposal requires a prerequisite, which is an ordered arrangement of the laboratory articles. This ensures a smoother mechanism in terms of handling and disposal of the substances. The usage of gloves in the laboratory is important and mandatory for safety purposes. As you can see, the student uses the tissue to wipe the article in order to avoid contamination of any sorts, since even the tiniest amount of impurities can cause damage not just to health but also to one's own experiment. In the biological engineering laboratory, three kinds of waste are produced: contaminated waste, non-contaminated waste, and glass waste. Different kinds of waste are collected in different bins. Contaminated waste is one that comes in contact with the organism, the various cells and tissues that are bracketed as biohazardous waste. Non-contaminated and glass waste is taken away into landfills, but the contaminated ones are taken away by an organization called Ecology Waste Management Private Limited, approved by Gujarat Pollution Control Board, Gandhinagar. An e-waste management company that was set up in 2007 with an aim to conserve environment through recycling of hazardous e-waste. Ecology recycles the e-waste generated by corporate, small entities and individuals due to dumping of electric and electronic equipments like mobiles, computers, ACs, etc. It's the only company in Gujarat which is actively involved in recycling of e-waste in a systematic and eco-friendly manner, following the safety norms set by the Pollution Control Board of Gujarat. Ecology Waste Management is a group that has been actively engaged in biomedical waste execution and treatment as per BMW Rules 1998. The chemistry laboratory produces chlorinated solvents, non-chlorinated solvents, aqueous solvents, and solid waste, where the solid waste include gloves, glass, and paper waste. Various kinds of waste materials are collected in separate drums, which are then transferred to larger drums of 2-liter capacity. The other waste are taken by Bharuch Enviro Infrastructure Limited, which was started in 1998. Here, the waste is incinerated or burnt and let out into the environment eventually. According to Professor Sriram Kanva, waste collected at academic centers is minimal as compared to industrial waste, and which is why visits by BEIL happen only once in every 4 to 5 months. Since its inception, BEIL has developed centralized secured landfill facility at Ankleshwar, Gujarat, and so far it has collected 5 lakh metric ton of solid hazardous waste and deposited it in 68 acres plot area. Here at IIT Gandhinagar, proper disposal has to be taken care of, keeping in mind the climatic conditions. All solvents have a boiling point. The summer heat here makes them evaporate directly into the environment, making it hazardous not only for human beings but also to the flora and fauna of the immediate surroundings. Also, waste drums should never be filled up to more than 3/4 of the container.
Hi, I'm the research scholar in IIT Gandhinagar, and I'm here to just give the brief idea how we are maintaining the solvent aqueous disposal system. So that's what the safety concern here. So here we have the different solvent drums like chlorinated solvents, aqueous waste, non-chlorinated waste, and glass waste and solid waste. So all of the different materials have been segregated properly for the proper safety disposal. So if we take the chlorinated solvents like TCM, chloroform and 1,2-dichloroethane will be segregated separately, any chlorinated solvents. And then we have the non-chlorinated waste which contains acetone, ethyl acetate, anything which is not having any halogen. And the aqueous waste, whatever the normal water has the main percentage, and with the other inorganic contamination. Coming to the glass waste, so it will be having all the glass waste which was got broken or any reagent bottles, whatever will be segregated properly. And coming to the solid waste, we will be mostly having the kind of inorganic salts and silica. So if you coming to this, how we are going to dispose all the drums, particularly for all the drums, we have the contract with the BEL, which is the Baruch Infrastructure Engineering Limited. They will come and collect all the solvent drums and they'll maintain the proper disposal of the solvents with by incineration process.
Digital waste such as compact disc and pen drives are recycled or taken away by waste managers of the Tri-Bin initiative in the campus. According to C.N. Pandey, professor, IIT Gandhinagar, and the head of the Nature Club, he says it's amazing to understand nature because it is the most efficient waste manager which replenishes its own waste without destroying itself. Efficient waste management is the need of the hour.